Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to compile things in your Photos app. You're going to first go down here to this type here to search, and you're just going to find your Photos app. Once it opens, it's going to look like this. It'll have all of your photos that you have been collecting throughout the semester. For this project, you're going to go up to Video Projects, and you're going to create a new video project. I'm just going to call mine Example. Then your first step is to add pictures. So you're going to add from this PC, and I'm just going to pick a bunch of them to demonstrate. So you open them. If they have this blue check mark, it means that they are ready to be dragged. So you can drag, drop them into here. Now you can move them around however order you need them in. It might take you a minute to get this part. Now, if you want to change the duration, which means how long a slide is shown, you click on the slide you want to change, and then you click on this duration tab. This gives you the option of changing it. So I'm going to change mine to 8 seconds. Now, whenever I go to play this slide is going to stick around for 8 seconds. And then the next one, 3, 3, 3, unless I go in and change them. If you want, you can always add a title card to the beginning, which just is a card that you can put like your, like the title of your piece or any information you need to share. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Type Miss Please Example. And I'm going to change it, then done. So now this one again is at 3 seconds. So you need to make sure that you have it in the right order. Now you can come up here to this custom audio. This is the button you're going to use for pretty much everything. You're going to add your own audio file. Now I downloaded a bunch of different things yesterday. So I am just going to pick 3 of them, and I'm going to open them. Right now, all 3 of them are sitting on top of each other. So if I were to play, it's going to go through all of them at the same time. If that's not what you want to do, you've got to drag and drop these things. If you don't want them to overlap, you can just move this little slider up or down. You can move it to where the end of those audio clips hits. So I'm just going to move mine to where they hit. This right here is going to fast forward through your video. So this is where you're going to use it to see what your video looks like. So if I press play, it's going to show me an example before I finish it. Now it's about to switch to my next one. And then after this, it's going to switch to my last one. So on this part, you're going to add your music, and then you're going to hit done. Then you're going to proof watch your whole video. Once you have watched your whole video and you are satisfied with it, you're going to come in here again, and you are going to add in your sound effects. So I'm just going to add in a couple more of these and open. Now, for your sound effects, you do want them to overlap with your music. So you can drag and drop these wherever you need them. Again, you can use this little slider to see where in your video you are. So if I were to go there, I would move mine over there. Once you have all 10 sound effects in here, you can hit done again. Proof watch your video, and then come up here and hit finish video. What this does is this saves it to your computer, so you have to do this before you turn it in. Export it, then you're going to save it somewhere that you will not forget where it is. I usually save mine to my desktop, so I'm going to say example Foley video. I'm going to export it. This usually takes a bit, so if yours is taking forever, don't stress.